Hi, my name is Jessica Jong. I'm the mortgage specialist from FIS Management. Today, I will be sharing with you on the tips to get your mortgage loan approved. Okay, now let us start. Today, I will be sharing with you 10 tips. Yes, you heard me right. It's 10 tips on how to get your mortgage loan approved. Many times, a lot of potential home buyers that when they want to buy a property, they find difficulties to getting their home loan approved. So today I will be sharing with you on the tips how to get your home loan approved. First, know your budget and affordability. Now, before you come to buying your property, you have to understand what is your budget, right? And also what is your affordability. Your budget, we have to allocate a certain amount of money, such as paying for the SPA, legal fee, stamp duty, and there are a lot of costs, okay, such as renovation costs and whatnot. And also, we have to purchase, when we want to get a home loan, right, we have to understand what is our affordability based on our income, okay? Now, let me give you some example. Okay, the first one is, let's say, your monthly salary is 2,000, okay? And the house that you are looking at will be ranging about 100,000. Okay, these are the, by paying 90%, by getting a 90% of loan, okay, 90% of loan, you will need to get a home loan of 90,000. But bear in mind, there are all the costs that are involved, such as the legal fees, stamp duty that I mentioned. All right, so these are all the costs that are involved. So you are looking at, okay, in total, the initial payment of 13,600. Okay, so these are the costs that are involved if you are getting 100,000 home loan. So other than paying down the 10% deposit, so there are costs that are involved. All right. So if you are getting a home loan, which is the tenure, which is 35 years, and interest rate is 4.4%, all right, your monthly installment will be 420 ringgit. Now, let's say your monthly salary is 3,000. Okay, so 3,000, what is the cost that are involved and what is the house price that you are looking for? The house price, which is 200,000, all right? If let's say you earn 3,000 salary, you can get a home loan of 200,000. Then the initial payment that you need to put down is 27,910. Okay, the monthly installment that you need to pay to the bank is 840. Now let us see, if let's say your monthly salary is 3,500, then you will be getting a house price of 300,000. Okay, and the cost involved will be around 41,000. Okay, and these are all the sample that I will be sharing with you. Later on, if you, let's say you would like to have these slides, all right, because there are a lot of sample, you can actually email to me and I will send these slides to you. Okay? Now, let us look at if you would like to buy a house that is priced of 400,000, your monthly salary will require 5,000. Okay? You will require 5,000, and the cost and initial payment that are involved will be 55,000. Okay? 55,000. And monthly installment that you need to pay to the bank will be 1,681. Okay? So, if let's say you would like to buy a house price that costs 500,000, then your monthly salary will be looking at 6,000. Okay? And for a house price of 600,000, your monthly salary will require 7,500. And if let's say you would like to get a house loan of 700,000, okay, at 90% of loan, okay, your monthly salary, you will require 8,000, okay, 8,000 of monthly salary. And bear in mind, the initial payment that require will be amounting close to 100,000. Okay, so these are the costs that are involved. All right, so these are the costs that involve. If let's say you buy a second-hand or sub-sale property, but if let's say you purchase directly from developer, most of the time developer will absorb all the SPA, legal fee, stamp duty, and other costs. Okay, so if let's say developer will be absorbing all these costs for you, so these costs you can be exempted. But if let's say you purchase a sub-sale property, then this will be the costs that are involved. So purchasing a property, it sounds simple. Getting a loan, besides getting a loan, we also have to understand our affordability, okay, and also we have to prepare our budget to purchase before we purchase a property. Okay, so this is the first tips. Okay, first tips. Second, all right, is to apply a pre-approved home loan. Okay, what do I mean by to apply a pre-approved home loan? Do you know that you can actually apply for pre-approved home loan? Before you getting the actual home loan, you can visit the bank and then you just inform them that you just would like to apply for a pre-approved home loan. Okay, so which means they haven't, the bank officer, they will not submit your document into their system, but they will help you to check through. All right, they'll do a quick check on that. See whether you are eligible to get a home loan. All right, so to get a home loan, it is greatly one of the factors to get a home loan, right, is to check on the DSR. All right, what is DSR? DSR is a debt service ratio. And this is the formula that I would like to share with you. How to get the percentage of DSR. It's actually based on the commitment. Okay, your old commitment, your existing commitment plus the new commitment. Then you divide by your net income times 100%. Then you will get a percentage of your DSR. All right. So bank normally they will base on the DSR to check and also to check and also to approve on your loan. So this is one of the criteria. Okay, not one of the basic criteria that bank will normally check. Okay, to approve your loan. All right. And I have to tell you that different bank, their DSR will be different. Okay, some bank, they will offer a DSR 70%, some DSR 80%, or some DSR 60%, or some bank, they'll offer DSR 50%. So it depends on which bank that you apply your loan application, okay, your mortgage loan application. So I give you an example, how to calculate this DSR. Say, this is Adam, all right? This is Adam, and he buy a new house, okay? He buy a new house, and he would like to apply for a new housing loan. His monthly net income, okay? This is net income. Net income means after deduction all your like EPF or your SOCSO, okay? All these costs as deducted, all right? You get a net income, okay? His net income is 6,000, all right? Adam net income is 6,000. Let's see on his current commitment, the existing commitment. He has a car loan, okay, a car loan installment of 800 ringgit, and a housing loan. The first house, okay, the first house housing loan is 1,000. Credit card outstanding balance is 5,000. Okay, but here, credit card outstanding, right? Bank will only take 5% of your credit card outstanding. So in this case, bank will take 250 as a commitment calculation. All right. So the commitment for the new house loan means the second house that Adam intend to buy is 2,000. Okay, it's 2,000 per month. Now, the total commitment is 800 plus your 1,000 plus 250 plus the new commitment, which is the 2,000. So all this add up to 4,050. All right, 4,050 divided by his net income, 6,000. Then he get 67.5%. All right. So if the bank guideline for DSR is less than 70%, now Adam is qualified to get a home loan. Now, this is how you actually calculate on your own DSR. Okay, so every one of us, before we apply a home loan, make sure our existing existing commitment and the new commitment, all right, and your DSR is within the bank guideline, all right, so that it will help you to get your loan approved. Now, let me share with you on tips number 3. Bank actually loves saving, all right, loves savings. Like if let's say you have ASB, ASN, all right, your tabung haji, your dividends from the stock, okay, and whatnot, all this information, all these savings, you have all the records, right? It is a very good supporting documents to support on your loan approval. Okay, so you have to, you can actually compile all this information, all your saving into your personal report, okay, into your personal report and submit to the bank for your home loan application. All right, so it will greatly help you to get your loan approved. And mind you, some bank, they will take this, I give you an example, like rental income. Like rental income is also part of the income, but some banks, they may not take it 100% as a calculation of the income. Some banks, they will take probably 80% of the rental income as an income, okay? So all these savings, all your additional incomes that you have, make sure you have a documented statements, is all documented proof lah, to prove that this is the savings, this is the income that you are getting. So it will help you to get your home loan approved. Okay. Next tip, tip number 4, is to stay at your current job. Now, a lot of people ask, what does it actually do with your home loan application? Stay at your current job. Why is it so? Because why? Bank actually love when you have a secure job. Say, for example, if you are new to a company, okay, probably below 3 months or still under probation, bank will think that the job may not be secure, all right, although you are in the employment previously for the longest period, like 10 years or more than that, okay, but when you are entering into a new company, bank are unsure, okay? Bank are not sure how secure are you with this current with your new company, all right? So this may affect on your home loan, okay? On your home loan application, okay? And of course, if you have and bank, of course, they will prefer when you have employment more than 6 months, okay, more than 6 months of employment. So they would like you to have a stable job, all right. If let's say you are working with a MNC company, so it is also a plus point. They will give you an additional points, all right. So make sure before you getting a new loan, you stay at your current job, all right. Where once your loan is approved and you sign, then only you move to your new job. All right, okay. Next, tip number 5. Now, I would like to share with you. Tip number 5, avoid to be a guarantor. Okay, why? Why should you avoid to become a guarantor? Okay, let me give you an example. I have met with one of my clients before, okay, she informed me that her loan application get rejected. Okay, through the conversation, I understand from her is that she never have any mispayment. She pay all her other existing debts promptly. Okay, like her car loan, credit card loans, and credit cards and all that. She pay promptly, and there is no outstanding. Okay, there is no outstanding debt and all that. So in terms on her DSR is also very low. Okay, she has a high income. She is a high income earner. Her DSR percentage is very low, so it should not be an issue. Okay, it should not be an issue for her to get a home loan. However, through the process of her home loan application, the loan get rejected. Reason being is that she actually was the guarantor for her brother on the hire purchase. Okay, on the hire purchase. So the brother, the car loan, the car, right, has just recently being repossessed. Okay, being repossessed. So bank, when she submit her documentation to the bank to get her home loan approved, right, bank actually rejected. Okay, rejected on her application. All right, so bear in mind. Okay, be aware. Try not to become a guarantor. And number 6, all right, number 6 is to avoid overuse credit card. Why? You know, the main culprit for the home loan rejection, right? The main culprit is actually a credit card. Okay, a lot of when you read a lot of news from the newspaper, you will see that there are a lot of people, especially the youngsters, they are fall into this bankruptcy because they have this too much of credit card debts. So credit card is actually a very good tool if you use it right, but try not to overuse your credit card. All right, try not to use the credit card limit. Here, earlier as I mentioned, if let's say like Mr. Adam, his monthly usage of his credit card is 5,000, and bank only take 5% of his commitment, but 200, so that 250 is as a commitment. But if let's say the credit limit for Mr. Adam is 6,000, but he has already used up 5,000 every month, so bank will treat that as a, what you call that, as a high risk person. Okay, if let's say the usage is more than 70%, right, bank will treat you as a high risk person, so it will affect on your home loan application. Okay, so bear in mind when you want to use your credit card. Say for example, I give you some tips here. Say for example, if let's say you have 3 credit cards, all right, 3 credit cards, so you may want to spread. Okay, you may want to spread using this credit card, like probably 1,000 each. If let's say all these 3 credit cards, the credit limit is 6,000, so you use 500 or less than 1,000. Okay, less than 1,000 for each card, so that your commitment, okay, your usage, okay, your credit card usage is not more than 70%. All right, and always pay your credit card on time. Tips number 7, okay, to have at least one credit facility. Now, what do I mean by this? Sometimes when you don't have any credit facility, right, bank do not know, and they cannot judge whether you are a good paymaster or not. They have no prior history record on you. So it is always good to have at least one, okay, at least one credit facility. So these are some of the example. You can get either a study loan, hire purchase loan, or even credit card. Okay, credit card is the most simplest way. Okay, simplest way to get the credit facility. All right, so before you apply for a home loan, make sure you have at least one credit facility. You can, if let's say you do not have any credit facility, you can consider getting a credit card. All right, So when you get a credit card, make sure that you use for about 6 months, then only you apply for your home loan. Okay, because why? You need to build your credit history. Now, number 8 is to pay off your loans promptly. All right, so this is a sample of secrets report. All right, so this secrets report, right, where can you get this report? You can actually get it from Bank Negara. All right, you go to Bank Negara, thumbprint, get your IC and thumbprint. You can print out your secrets report, and now Bank Negara make it easy for all of us. Also, you can even check your secrets report online. Okay, they have this e-secrets. Okay, e-secrets system, so you can check anytime, anywhere. All right, that you want. So this is a secrets report. What is this secrets report all about? It will show all the history of your facilities. Okay, like for example, you have your credit card, your home loan, your personal loan, your hire purchase loan. So all these facilities, right, it will be printed on your secrets report. And you can see here at the section end, okay, at the section end, it shows a 12 months, okay, a 12 months period of your repayment. So to have a good secrets report, right, you have to make sure that this section end, all right, this section end, over the 12 months, your record is all zero. Okay, what does it mean? All zero means that you pay your loan promptly. Okay, you do not miss any payment. You pay your loan promptly every month for a period of 1 year. You see here, the record, it shows 1 year. But in this sample, you can see that there is a 2, there is a 3. So what does this mean? Means that this person, he has missed the payment. 2 means he missed the payment for 2 times. 3 means he missed the payment for 3 months. Okay, 3 months. So if let's say you get more than 1, okay, your secrets report, you have more than 1, okay, means that you get 2, 3 or more than that, more than 1. So it will, bank will actually reject, okay, will reject on your home loan application. So make sure that before you apply any home loan, always check on your secrets report. You want to make sure that your secrets report looks nice, okay, it's all zero before you submit for this home loan application. All right, and okay, and tips number 9. Okay, tips number 9 is, of course, to get a better credit scoring. How to get a, what does it mean here? Get a better credit scoring? Because for every bank, right, bank have their own credit scoring. All right, every bank, they have their own credit scoring. All right, different scoring. But as a general guideline, we can actually check our general credit scoring through this website, CITOS. Okay, CITOS. You can go to CITOS website and put in all your information. Okay, you key in all this information, and the CITOS, right, it will actually generate this report to you. So you can see here there is a rating up to from no score to excellent. Okay, to excellent, 850. Okay, excellent means the maximum score is 850. No score means there is no record on you. Okay, no record. So our aim is to make sure that we are at this green zone. Okay, at the very good, at the excellent zone. Now, how to actually make sure that we get better? Okay, we get better credit scoring. So these are the few tips. Number 1, be a good paymaster. Okay, you make sure that you pay your loan every month so that your secrets report for over a period, the 12 months, right, you get a 0. Okay, you get a 0 every single month, right? Make sure that you are a good paymaster. So it will help you to improve on your scoring. If let's say you miss one payment, guess what? It will actually bring down your score. So you have to make sure that you are a good paymaster. Number 2 is to get out of debt. All right, get out of debt. Say, for example, when you check on your secrets, right, you see that there is a lot of there are a lot of debts over there listed there. Say, for example, you might have 5 credit cards, okay, that have all these 5 credit cards also have outstanding, all right, outstandings, and then you have a hire purchase, you have a study loan and a personal loan and all that. Okay, so when you have a lot of debts, it actually makes it difficult for you to get a home loan. All right, so first thing first, before you get a home loan, you may want to consider to clear off some of this debt. You look at the debt which has the smallest value. Say, for example, your credit card. Okay, your credit card outstanding. Perhaps it has probably 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or 10,000. You want to clear that first. Okay, you clear it off first. Make sure you don't have these outstanding debts. All right. Then before you apply for your home loan. Okay. Then number 3 is to check on your financial relationship. Okay, you check on your financial relationship. Like, for example, say you are a joint borrower with your sister, okay, with your sister to purchase your first property, okay. Make sure that the secrets report is all printed as 0, because sometimes there are cases that when that comes to a joint borrower when they purchase a property, and then when they need to make a monthly installment, right? They thought that, okay, I pay my share 50%, and my sister pay another 50% of her share. But guess what? Of some of the cases that I have noticed, they pay only half of the installment, okay? Or sometimes both of them, they might miss the payment. So this actually will bring down your credit scoring, okay, and also your secrets will also get affected. So you have to make sure that all your secrets report looks good, okay, before you apply for a home loan. Then tips number 4 is to build up your credit history. All right, to build up your credit history, like I mentioned earlier, okay, if let's say you do not have any credit history, you don't have any debts or any credit history in your secrets report, okay, this is not good at all. All right, you want to build that. All right, make sure the easiest way is to get a credit card, okay, get a credit card, and then use a very minimal, okay, amount. You use it consistently for 6 months. Then after that, only you apply for your home loan. So all this factor, it will help you to bring up, okay, it will help you to improve on your credit scoring. All right. And okay, lastly, on this tip number 10 is to submit an accurate and completed documents to banks. All right. So when you want to submit your personal profile, okay, you have to make sure that all your documents, okay, all your documents are the latest documents, the completed set, and also accurate, okay, and also accurate. Okay, there are cases that I have met before when they submit the documents, right? Say, for example, the pay slip, okay, the salary pay slip, they submit, okay, 3 months, because the requirement is 3 months. But when they submit, right, 3 months is not the latest 3 months. They submit probably not the latest one. It could be sometime few months ago. All right, so this will actually affect on your home loan application. So you have to ensure that you always submit the latest one, okay, latest information, latest information and complete information. And like I mentioned, complete information, like example, your income, okay, income. Say, for example, you have a part-time income as a Grab driver, okay, as a Grab driver. In order for the bank to recognize on your income, right, the bank will have to check whether you have submitted your income statement. All right, and you must submit your income statement, and also make sure that this income is credited to your bank account. Okay, so besides this, beside your salary slip or your income slip, you also have to attach together on the bank statement where your income is being credited to this bank. So if let's say you just show this bank slip or income slip without this bank statement, right? Okay, without this bank statement, bank, they will not recognize on this income. So please, okay, bear in mind, you have to make sure that you submit all the required documents. And some banks, they even require you to submit your EA form. Okay, these are some of the banks they require this. Not all banks require, but some banks they will require this, and all that. So you have to understand each bank, their requirement is slightly different. So you make sure that you submit all supporting documents, all completed income, accurate documents to them. And okay, and of course, please do not falsify your documents. Do not lie to the bank. If let's say you are only eligible to get your, based on your income, you are only eligible to get only to purchase one property. Okay, to purchase one property, apply for that one property. Okay, and try not to buy a few properties with only one single income. All right, this actually happened to a lot of people who are actually fall into this trap. Okay, they do a compressed loan, they submit multiple home loan application. Okay, multiple home loan application for a different properties. Okay, for a different properties. So when banks before bank disperse the money, right? Some banks, they will actually check the secrets again before they release the money. They will do a second check on this. Okay, if they find out that you are actually lying to them, okay, you are actually buying multiple properties, all right, or your income should not be able to purchase that property, right? So what they do is that they will either reject on your loan, or they will slash the margin or margin of your finance. So please take note on that. Okay, you have to make sure that all the information that you submitted to the bank is accurate as possible, right? And also timely. Okay, and also timely. When you submit to the bank, you also submit timely, so that it will help you to approve. Okay, to approve on your home loan application, and to engage a professional mortgage agent to help you, to assist you on this home loan application is is a good advice. Okay, if let's say you are not sure how to go on this about, okay, how to go on this, okay, you can actually engage a professional mortgage broker to help you with this application. All right, so you compile all this information, submit the full personal profile to the bank. Okay, so these are the 10 tips that I'm sharing with you today. And lastly, this is my contact. Okay, so if you find my presentation, my slides is very useful to you today, you can contact me here. Okay, this is my email, my phone number, and also can follow my Facebook page where I share a lot of information on a mortgage. To get these slides, you can actually email to me or WhatsApp to me. Just mention the keywords star property, then I will send these slides to you. Okay? All right. I think we come to the end of our presentation. I thank you very much. All right. If you have further questions, feel free to contact me. Okay? Right. So I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.